Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Sambrak State Seed Farm. What is the key objective of this scheme? The key objective is to produce high-quality seeds of cereals such as rice and maize, pulses such as pea, arhar, black gram, soybean, oil seeds such as sesame, mustard seeds, etc., and for raising horticultural seedlings such as orange, coconut, areca nut, carambola, lychee, etc. for sale. What is the type of assistance entitlement? Subsidy sale of seeds and seedlings. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers having cultivable land engaged in agriculture. How to apply for the benefits of the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper to the District Agriculture Officer of the concerned district through Agriculture Development Officer of CNRD Block, Agriculture Circle, Subdivisional Agricultural Officers of the concerned subdivisions, as well as directly to the farm superintendent. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Beneficiaries are selected based on first-come, first-served basis, subject to availability of seeds and seedlings.